Listen to me. If you are standing on the precipice of retirement, or if you are already there, enjoying your hard-earned freedom, you need to pay close attention to every single dollar that leaves your hands. Every single dollar. Because when you are on a fixed income, or preparing to transition to one, cash flow isn't just a number on a page. It is your security. It is your peace of mind. Now, many of you are not just sitting back. You are starting consulting gigs, you are managing a rental property, or maybe you are running a small passion business to stay active. And the very first piece of advice you get from everyone is, oh, you need to get QuickBooks to manage your books. But then the fear sets in. You look online, and you are hit with a wall of confusing options, changing prices, and conflicting information. You ask yourself the ultimate question. Is QuickBooks free? Or am I about to trap myself in another endless monthly subscription that eats away at my retirement nest egg? I want you to hear me on this. The short answer is that QuickBooks is primarily a paid, subscription-based service. But Intuit, the company behind it, recently introduced a version called QuickBooks Free. Now, before you smile and think your problems are solved, I need you to understand the catch. Because in life, and especially in finance, nothing is truly free without strings attached. The problem is that many retirees jump into what they think is a free tool, only to find themselves hitting a hard wall, forcing them to upgrade to a paid plan that costs $30, $70, or even over $100 every single month. That is money that should be buying your groceries, paying for your travel, or staying safely in your high-yield savings account. Let's break down exactly what this free version is, so you don't fall into a financial trap. QuickBooks Free is a bare-bones tool designed for a single user. It allows you to connect exactly one bank account, track up to 5 mileage trips a month, and snap photos of just 2 receipts. And here is the biggest kicker for someone in your stage of life. You can only send 2 invoices a month, and you cannot invite your accountant or your bookkeeper into the software to help you. If you are preparing for retirement or managing a small side hustle, your tax professional is your lifeline. If your software won't let your accountant look at your numbers, what good is it to you? So what happens if you go over those tiny limits? Boom! You are forced to upgrade to their paid plans like QuickBooks Solopreneur, Simple Start, or Essentials. We are talking about $20 to $85 a month, and let me tell you, those subscription prices have a habit of creeping up year after year. For a major corporation, $85 a month is pennies. For a retiree watching their budget, that is over $1,000 a year down the drain for software features you might not even use. I know the fear you have. You fear automated billing. You fear putting your credit card into a system for a 30-day free trial, which QuickBooks also offers, and then forgetting to cancel it, resulting in hundreds of dollars in unauthorized charges hitting your account. You fear the complexity of a system that requires a degree in accounting just to log your expenses. You do not need that stress in your golden years. You have earned the right to a simple, stress-free financial life. So how do you solve this? What is your actionable takeaway today? First, I want you to ask yourself what you actually need. If you are just tracking income and expenses for a single rental property or a casual consulting gig where you write 1 or 2 invoices a month, then yes, you can look into the strict QuickBooks Free tier. But you must promise me that you will keep your operations small enough to stay within those limits so you never pay a dime. Second, if you realize you need more than 2 invoices, or if you need your accountant to have direct access, do not just blindly sign up for a paid QuickBooks subscription. Stand up for your money. Look at free alternatives that do not have hidden traps. Look at software like Wave Accounting, which offers genuinely free tracking and invoicing without those suffocating monthly caps. Or, if your business is incredibly simple, go back to basics. A well-organized Excel spreadsheet or a simple ledger book can do wonders for a retirement side hustle without costing you a single recurring penny. Do not let the fear of taxes or the pressure of what everyone else is doing push you into a financial commitment that does not serve your retirement goals. You need to be the master of your cash flow. If you do choose to try a paid version of QuickBooks using their 30-day free trial, I want you to write the cancellation date on your calendar in big, bold red letters. Set an alarm on your phone. Do not let them take your money quietly. Remember, true financial freedom in retirement isn't just about how much money you accumulated. It is about how wisely you protect it from being chipped away by unnecessary expenses. Be smart, stay in control, And never pay for a financial tool when a simpler, cheaper, or truly free option will keep your hard-earned money right where it belongs, in your pocket.